These are 5 types of dreams. Number 1, prophetic or angelic dreams. In this type of dream, God can speak with you. We saw even the King Solomon, God spoke with him through dreams. We also saw Joseph, God spoke with him through dreams. But it's not all dreams that God is speaking. Some dreams, they have their own meanings. Number 2, natural or meaningless dreams. In natural or meaningless dreams, it means that you can dream something, maybe you are playing in dreams. Where there is no meaning, there is not even the voice of God. There is not even the voice of devil. It's just meaningless dreams. You are just playing in dreams. Number 3, demonic dreams or satanic dreams. In this type of dreams, devil or his demons, they can attack you without any reason. Maybe they are chasing you. Maybe they want to kill you. Maybe someone wants to stab you. In this type of dreams, it's a demonic, it's a satanic. Witches, they can attack you in the dreams. So that is demonic or satanic dreams. Number 4, memory dreams. In the memory dreams, you can dream something, what you were thinking in that particular day or before you went asleep. So whatever you are watching, it will come in your dreams. Even if you can play a song while you are sleeping, you can end up dream of that person who sang that song, because it's a memory dream. Number 5, demonic network dreams. In demonic network dreams, these are the dreams that comes because of what you are watching. Maybe pornographic videos, maybe naked photos, or anything evil. Maybe what you were talking with someone online. That is a network. As you know that we cannot communicate with someone without network. So if you are watching evil or bad things, devil will use that as a network. That's a vacuum. You are going to carry or to take a lot of things while you are sleeping because of the bad network. This demonic network, it is a weapon that devil is using to a lot of Christians today. What they are watching, what they see, and whatever they speak, devil uses that as a network to attack them. So be careful of all these 4 types of dreams that I have just said, especially the 3 ones. But natural one, it's just normal. But be careful with demonic dreams, memory dreams, or demonic network dreams. But prophetic or angelic dreams, that is 100% good one, because God is speaking with you through that dream. May God bless you. Shalom.